Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the integrated terminal with Control+ so you can run commands in context. Once open, pick a default shell that matches your workflow, Bash, PowerShell, or ZSH, because consistent shells avoid path and environment surprises. Make sure your project folder is the workspace root. This ensures commands run where your file's live. Next, create or open a file you'll run so you can execute it right away and see output without switching apps. Once you have the terminal and shell set, run your commands directly, for example npm run start or python main. Py, because immediate feedback shortens the edit test cycle. Make tasks, JSON entries to automate repetitive builds or tests, and connect them to shortcuts. Then create a launch. JSON so you can hit F5 to debug with breakpoints in the editor. Use split terminals to run servers and tests simultaneously. This keeps logs separated and saves time when diagnosing failures. You wrap up by stopping any running process with Ctrl+C, then clear the view with Ctrl+L so the next run is readable. Make a habit of closing unused terminals to reduce noise, reopen them quickly when needed. If you need persistent output, redirect it to a log file from the terminal. If something goes wrong and the terminal won't open or commands hang, check the terminal. Integrated. Shell path and your shell installation, and restart Vscode. That usually resolves environment mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.